Hello guys, and welcome back to my video tutorial. So this is Tranquil Coder, and let's get ahead. So for today we will be learning about loops. So what are loops? So we will be learning about loops. So let's go ahead and try this. You can just click finish right here in this way. Just leave as others as default. Now in this loops, just click this tiny button, go to source, right click it, go to new and go to class, and you can basically just name your class in this way. I'll just name my class loops loops, and then I will clear this public void main string. I'll click finish, and now we are here in our main method. So what is loop? So basically, loop is a process of repeating a task again and again until some conditions are satisfied. So let's go ahead and do a bit of example right here. So for that, I will display you the numbers from 1 to 10. So for that purpose, I'll create a variable named a that will store 0, and I will create a for loop, and let's go and do it for a while loop. So while loop, so in this loop you will give some conditions right here, and the executing code, that means the code that will be executed will be inside this two curly braces. So let's give a condition. So we'll give until a is equal to 10. So this will be looping until a equals 10. So the condition for now is until a is not equal to 10, this will continue to loop. So let's go ahead and type sys out. I'll give like print format. I will give like %d. If you want, you can give something else as well, but I just wanted to print this in a straight line, so I will give in this way, comma. Let's go ahead and give like comma a. So this is print format. Actually, you can just give in print line as well, but I just give in print format just to display it in a single line right here. So now let's go ahead and increment the value of a right here, a plus plus, in this way. So now let's go ahead and run this program. As you can see, like this program has printed the numbers from 0 to 9 in this way. So if I have done until a is smaller than or equal to 10, then still this would print 0 to 10, but this time it has printed 10 as well. Why? Because we have printed lesser than or equal to, and before we have just printed until a is not equal to 10. So these are the differences that we can get. And now let's go ahead and so another loop as well, the difference in next loop, so that is for loop. So in this for loop, let's go ahead and erase this as well. If you want to do the same thing using for loop, then it's pretty much easy. So first you have to declare a variable, that is I declared a equals to 0, and then I will mention the same condition, that is a is smaller than or equal to 10, and then I'll give the condition right here. So, and I'll open this curly braces and press enter. So what I've done over here, let's give it a space so that you can understand. So what I've done over here is that I've created a variable and assigned a value 0 to it, and I've given a condition so that this loop will continue until this condition is satisfied. So this will continue to run until this condition is satisfied, and then I have given increment value to a. This a plus plus means a equals to a plus 1 is the same thing. That means a will increment each time by 1 once the loop gets executed. So for now, let's go ahead and print out the number. As I've already told, I just want print format because it's a bit interesting, and I find it very convenient. So let's go ahead and print this out as well. As you can see, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's give it a bit of indentation, so that further I'll use /t, and now let's go ahead and print this. As you can see, 0 to 10. So you can use these loops for a lot of interesting things, and you can also do strings loop as well. So for that, we will do next tutorial. Until then, I suggest you to go ahead and practice this on your own.